Hi everyone, my name is Jessy Kang from National Taiwan University. I developed a course to help you learn SketchUp, a useful and a powerful 3D modeling tool for everyone. Instead of teaching the software function by function, I designed 5 examples to help you learning from doing. I will demonstrate detailed steps of drawing a spatial cube, toy house, a beach ball, and a curtain. I will explain the principle of modeling 3D objects during the demonstrations. This course is designed for everyone. Without any engineering background, you can still learn 3D CAD well if you have this engineering background. This course can be a foundation of further 3D modeling and simulation. If you can spend 3 hours per week, I believe you will learn 3D CAD very well within 2 months. I'm Jessy Kang. Please join me and enjoy the learning journey.